Hello, students. My name is Miss Nitika, and I will teach you math this week. This week, we'll be talking about rounding and estimating two-digit numbers to the nearest 10. Well, before we learn about rounding, I'm going to tell you a little story. Well, it's a story about this crab. His name is Shelley. And as you can look in this picture, Shelley does not look very happy because Shelley cannot find his friend, his best friend, and his name is Krabby. So he started looking for his friend. He started walking, and as he was walking, he found a tortoise. And his name was Max. And he said, Max, have you seen my friend Krabby? So Max replied and said, I do not know precisely, but I estimate that I saw Krabby about 30 meters down the road. Well, Shelley kept walking. He wasn't sure what does the word estimate means. He kept walking and he met his other friend Starry. He asked him the same question. He said, Starry, have you seen my friend Krabby? Starry also replied in the same way, and he said, I do not know precisely, but I estimate that I saw him about 10 meters down the road. He understood that he might find Krabby soon, so he kept walking, and soon he found Krabby. He was so happy to see him, and he told him how much he missed him. But he was still confused. He did not know the meaning of the word estimate. So the next day he went to school and he asked his teacher. And he said, my friends have been using this word estimate. So his teacher explained, what does rounding and estimation means? Students, we do use this word estimate in our real everyday life. It could be while cooking or baking. So, for example, if I am cooking, I may look at it and I need to add 1 cup of, let it be oats or it could be anything. And I would look at it and I would say, this looks like a cup. But when I estimate, I'll make sure that I make a good estimation. It should be very close to the actual amount. If you have to add some liquid, let it be water. So before measuring, I may just look at it, I would know that this is about a cup. But estimation can be about estimating things, about estimating some numbers. You may look at certain things and you can say, these are about 20 red beans. So, students, we will keep learning and talking about rounding and estimating numbers. Look for other examples in your everyday life. And you may want to ask your parents if they estimate or they round numbers. Bye bye. Have fun.